In this video, I will show you how you can fix if your AirPods are not connecting with your iPhone. Now, the first thing you should do is just open your AirPods lid and check if you see an LED on your AirPods case or not. If you see an orange LED or if you don't see an LED on your AirPods case when you open the lid, this means that your AirPods are out of charge. Just plug in your AirPods into charge for a couple of minutes. Then on your iPhone, just open the control center, then go to the connection section in the control center and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. After you turn on Bluetooth, then just open the lid of your AirPod again and you will see a pop-up on your iPhone screen. Now if you have done that, but if this did not work, then just follow the next method. For that, just close the lid of your AirPods case, then just wait for a couple of seconds. After that, just open the lid again, then just double tap 3 times on the LED on your AirPods case. As you can see, this is the first double tap, the second, and the third. Now after you do that, you will see the orange LED appear on your AirPods case, which means that you have done a reset of your AirPod. Now just close the lid and wait for a couple of seconds and try to pair your AirPod again with your iPhone. Now if you have an AirPod Pro or any other AirPod which have a button at the back, just tap and hold on the button until you see the orange LED appear on the front of the case and make sure to open the lid while you're doing that process. Now after you have done the reset process, then just go to settings. Now under settings, just tap on Bluetooth and make sure that Bluetooth is turned on. And if you have connected your AirPods before, just tap on the icon in front of your AirPods name and at the bottom of the page, just select forget this device. Then tap on forget device. And after you forget the device, then just open the lid of your AirPods case and a pop-up will appear on the screen. Now just tap on connect. From here, just double tap on the LED on your AirPods case and you will pair your AirPods with your iPhone. Just like that. But if you have done all of that and if none of these worked, then on your iPhone, just go back to the main settings page. Now in the main settings page, just tap on General, then tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any update available or not. If you have any update available, just update the software of your iPhone. After you update the software of your iPhone, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then quickly press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. After you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. And once the force restart process is completed, then just try to pair your AirPods again with your iPhone. And as you can see, our AirPods has been automatically paired, just like that. And this is how you can fix if your AirPods won't connect with your iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.